Trying to tell y'all, man, DoorDash don't give a damn. Boy, this shit is about to be nasty. I don't care. Give me my money. I'm gonna log out as soon as I drop this motherfucker off. They not gonna message me nothing. Okay? Send that shit to, hey, take it up with DoorDash support. It ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm just the driver. Okay? I'm just, oh my God, look at this car. What was they thinking? Look at that vehicle. How can you even see out of that rearview mirror? Somebody explain to me how they can see out their rearview mirror, because I don't understand it. That don't make sense. What is that? Boy, what do they got back there? Oh, hell no, boy. These people out here doing whatever. Driving whatever, doing whatever. No hot bag. I got a delivery bag. I don't use the DoorDash hot bag. I bought me a bag off of Amazon, because I'm a real gig worker. Use no motherfucking DoorDash bag. Fuck I look like. Do I look like a DoorDash? Now, I'm not saying everybody that use a DoorDash bag is a DoorDash dumbass. All I'm saying is that what I look like? If I do use the DoorDash bag, it's only in the car. I'm not walking in a store with it. I'm not walking out of a store with it. The only bag that I will walk in and out of a store with is a pizza bag. And that's because it's hard to put pieces in the bag inside your car. You much better off doing that while you picking up the pizza. That's the only bag I'm walking in with. Other than that, I'm not walking in with no DoorDash bag. Now, if I'm picking up a catering order, oh yeah, I will definitely walk in with that catering bag. But again, I'm not using the DoorDash catering bag. I bought my own catering bag off Amazon. So, you know, they're not getting no free marketing off of me. Not like that. They don't pay enough for their free marketing. I don't give a damn about fucking representation, man. Fuck that. They better represent the base pay and increase that shit. I ain't trying to represent these motherfuckers. I'm trying to make some money. So, no, I would not be walking in with no DoorDash bag. I would not be fucking putting the DoorDash shirt on. None of that shit. I ain't slapping no damn magnetic DoorDash logo on the side of my car. Now, the Uber and Lyft drivers that's doing rideshare, I understand. They put a symbol on their car to let people know that they doing the job, they getting first. Nigga, I don't want nobody knowing I'm picking up a DoorDash order, or let alone dropping one off. So hell no, they will not get no free marketing out of me. Especially all the motherfucking money they spent that Super Bowl. So hold on. Y'all can spend millions of dollars on a Super Bowl commercial, and then you can go a step further, give away cars, phones, houses, all types of shit, right? But you're gonna make Dashers base pay $2, and then you want me to deliver 2 orders for $2, but you want me to walk in the store with a DoorDash bag. Man, you kiss my ass. I'll set this motherfucking DoorDash bag on fire before I walk in the store with that motherfucker. Every time I see a Dasher walking in with that DoorDash bag, I laugh at them and I start recording their ass. I say, look, we got a brand new Dasher. Stop playing with me. Free marketing. Hell no. Only person I'm marketing for free is my damn self. I almost don't even be wanting to put their bag in the thumbnail, but you kind of got to get that click through. Shit, DoorDash marketing. Boy, they getting so much free publicity. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Every time you see a Dasher with a bag, that's free publicity. Every time you grab that bag and walk in somewhere, you just earned them a new customer. Because if somebody gonna see you with that bag, and they gonna say, oh, them Dashers making a lot of money. There's DoorDash drivers everywhere. I'm gonna place an order. I'm not tipping. They get no free marketing out of me. Hell no. And then the bag is trash. Like, bro, if you're gonna walk in with a delivery bag, use a Grubhub bag. I'm gonna keep it 100. The Grubhub bag is the best bag out of all these damn delivery bags. So if you gonna walk in there, walk in with a Grubhub bag, because at least they bag is built with good materials. It's got a thick insulated inside. It got straps you can wear it as a backpack. Motherfucking DoorDash bag? Come on now, we can do better. What you claim for taxes, nigga, everything. All of it. Everything. Talking about what you claim. All of it. Every deduction, everything. Whatever they allow, that's what I claim. Everything. Matter of fact, I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I just been running my mouth. That's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. Okay, leave that door for that taco smell. Oh my God, these people. I feel so sorry for this Taco Bell order, man. That must have been in my car for like a half an hour. That must have been in my car for a half an hour.